Can you become a good copywriter in just 2 months? I got asked this question last week in my newsletter, and here is my answer. But before I tell you that, let me show you the question. So, this is the question that I got asked. I guess you can see it, right? Um, Wait, fuck. Yeah, I guess you can see the question, right? You can like pause it and see the question, right? That I got asked this one. So the thing is, the answer is yes and no at the same time. Yes, for those who have been writing for a long time, who has experience with writing. Take me for example. I started in 2021, right? And right now it's 2025. So I started in so I've been doing this for almost 4 years. So in this 4 years, I have also written copies for social media. Like I have done ghostwriting, right? So I know how human psychology works, and copywriting is mostly like playing with human psychology, right? So if I have to get good at copywriting, right, 2 months is enough for me to get good at it. But let's say you are taking someone who's just starting out, right, who haven't written anything online, who just did, like written essays for their college and schools. For them, definitely it's not possible, right? It's not possible to become a good copywriter in just 2 months. It will take them at least 6 months. Now the thing is it recommended to set this kind of goals, like learning something in 2 months or 3 months or 6 months? Is it recommended? No, because what will happen if you chase this type of goals, you will get burned out. And trust me, if you set like this kind of goals, like hitting something in 2 months, what will happen is like you will like go all in to chase your goals to become a good copywriter, let's say in 2 months. And you like give it your all. You will be like studying and following different things, different copywriters, learning from them. And what will happen, you will be forcing yourself to learn the craft. Be honest with me, like will you be like enjoying the thing? Like if you set a like if you set a deadline of learning something in 2 months, will you like actually enjoy the thing? No, bro. You are gonna be, what happened, you are gonna be like forcing yourself. You're gonna be forcing yourself to hit your goals, to hit the deadline, right? But so that is not something recommended, because if you're doing something for the long term, let's say in next 5 or 6 years or 10 years, right, you cannot force yourself to do something for the next if you're going to be doing it for the next 5 or 10 years. You have to enjoy the thing if you want to do it for the long term. So instead of doing that, instead of setting a goal that I want to, I mean sorry, a deadline that I want to like learn the craft in XYZ months, do it this way. uh, Work or study at your own pace. It can take you 6 months, it can take you a year, it can take you 2 months, it doesn't matter. Learn it in your pace, get good at it, and land clients on the like along the way. I never said that you need to be a great copywriter, right, to be landing clients from a social media. No, bro, that is never gonna happen. You can be an average copywriter and still land a client, because landing clients, you need to know business side of things, business side of this copywriting thing to land clients, right? So getting good at it is something else, and landing clients by the skill that you are practicing is something else, right? So you can be learning a craft for 3 months and still get a client who will be paying you like 2K 3K, right? So don't set deadlines, right? Take your time, work at your own pace, and land clients along the way. And that is it, right? It is as simple as that, right? So yeah, I mean that is it. That is it for the video. Like follow the steps, right? And if you're a new copywriter, right? If you're a new copywriter and want to learn this kind of stuffs, like if you want to know, have this all this kind of knowledge and all these things, I would recommend to join you my newsletter, because I share like 3 to 4 times a week, like daily, like not daily, like quality, informations in my newsletter every three, like every week for 3 to 4 times, right? So go and subscribe. I will like link it in the description, right? Go there, subscribe, and take the most out of my newsletters, right? And if you like this video, do like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe if you're enjoying my content. And that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.